this is an AI tool that you need to try. It's called Gemini, which is developed by Google DeepMind. Think of it as a super smart chatbot that can understand and generate content across text, images, audio, and even video. And the best part is that it's free to use. There are 3 main ways to access it. First, the easiest way is to go to the Gemini web app. You can just open up your web browser and go to GeminiGoogle.com, click on Start a Conversation. Now here you just need to sign in with your Google account. And if you don't have a Google account, you can sign up for free. Just click on the link to create a Google account, and then come back to Gemini to continue. The second way to access it is through the mobile app. So Gemini has a mobile app that you can download on your phone. You can go to the App Store and download the app. The third way is through Google services. So Gemini is integrated into many Google services like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Chrome, and Google Workspace. So when you're using any of these services, you might see a Gemini icon or related AI features. You can use these to access Gemini without needing a separate app or web page. Now let's look at how to use Gemini. After you sign in, you'll see a clean interface with a text box at the bottom. This is where you'll type your prompt, which is basically the instruction or question you want to give to Gemini. On the left side, you'll see some sample questions to help you get started, so feel free to try them out. Now once you submit your prompt, Gemini will process it and give you a response. You can like or dislike the response, which helps Gemini learn and provide better responses in the future. You can also edit your prompt if you want Gemini to try again, or if you want a different response, you can get a new response. And finally, you can share the link to your conversation or export the text to a Google Doc. Apart from these basic uses, Gemini has advanced features like multimodality, in-depth research, creative content, and coding assistance. These can significantly enhance your experience with Gemini. In conclusion, Gemini is an incredibly versatile and powerful tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes. Whether you're looking for a chatbot to help you brainstorm ideas, a writing assistant to help you craft the perfect email or message, or even a creative partner to help you write stories or poems, Gemini has you covered. And this was a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use the AI tool. Contact us now for more help.